Good evening to those who will listen. It's May 29, 2019, 9:58 p.m. And again, I got another, it's only not even 10, but I've been getting some weird lightning, so I thought I would record. Plus, we got a pinkish, reddish, purplish sky again. Zoom in just a little, try to get this. Maybe I won't zoom in. Just some weird lightning. Wow. Don't look right. Don't look right. Ow! I lost my zoom. Why does it do that? Stupid camera. Darn it anyway. Sky is a weird color when the lightning flashes. So now it looks normal. You know, it doesn't look as pink no more. What happened? That don't look right. How come I can't get my stupid zoom back? Oh well. Now it looks blue. Like it changed. And now it's red again. Look at. What? Some might say plasma lightning. No thunder. And now it's blue again. No red. It's black. It's back to being black. Well, the lightning's not as dramatic now as it just was. I don't want to make this long. Whoa, and now look at it. Now it's switched back to the red. What? Lightning flashed, and it changed the color. I was just trying to stop it. Now I want to see if it switches back again on the next lightning flash. Are you kidding me? No way. Okay, it didn't switch back to red this time. So the next question is the sky really switching colors? Got some weird looking clouds, but you can't see them. Oh, maybe you can see a little bit. Some weird clouds. Can't see nothing over here. This is just a blanket. Over here we got some Shapes. Alright, okay, why isn't it switching back to the red? Oh. Oh, there was a nice one. So it looks like it's moving towards the east. Alright. Not much more action going on. Whoa! Now that I saw. The sky turned red. And now it's red again. Oh, it's over here now, this action. Did it switch back? And now switch back again. It's not red no more. A little bit of some color. And now, see, it's how it switched it? The lightning flash, it turns the color. Alright, I'm not gonna keep going forever. One more lightning. See, I saw that. The sky was actually red. The only thing is, it doesn't look red now, as it does on the camera. I mean, with my naked eye. When it flashed, it looked red. But now it don't. So I don't know why it stayed red. And then, God, that's weird. Every time I move, then the lightning strikes over there. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. God bless. Just waiting for one more lightning strike. Come on! Oh, that's really blue over here now. Weird. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless. Nothing? One more, please. Alright. I'm not gonna wait no more. It's getting long. Thanks for watching. God bless. Oh!